I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your Yahoo Mail security, enabling two-step verification is a great step. Here is how to set it up. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. This is the first step to access your account settings. Step 2. Access account security. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select Account Info. From there, navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. In the Account Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Toggle the switch to turn it on. This will prompt you to verify your phone number. A quick tip, make sure the phone number you enter is correct, as you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and click Send SMS. Check your phone for the verification code, then input it on the Yahoo page to confirm. Step 5. Review backup options. After verification, Yahoo will offer backup options such as recovery email or security questions. Set these up to ensure you can regain access if needed. Now you're all set with two-step verification on your Yahoo Mail. This extra layer of security will help keep your account safe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.